Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Tutor. Today in this video, I'm going to show on how to add social media button in Capcut using your mobile device. So let's get started. First, open your Capcut app on your mobile device. Choose a project that you working on or just add a new project. At the bottom, look for text, then tap it. Then tap sticker icon. At the search bar, just type social media. Then search for it. Now you will see such as Facebook and Instagram and others social media. Just tap it to add social media button. Hello everyone. Hello. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please do follow, like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorial videos.